Okay guys, I can see, first off, it's not all chemtrailed. I mean, it's milky white. I don't think that's ever going to change until they stop and then years after. But anyway, it's not like a haze of chemtrails, and I can still see the halo. I'm hoping it's being recorded and it's visible. I can't see it looking through this. I can when I cup the sun and look up though. And here, cloud just covered that. Maybe we can see it. I don't know if it'll help to zoom in or not. Try. I just don't. I can't see it through the lens. I can see with my own eyes though, man. And perhaps on here. And there's that rainbow hue that I thought was pretty much gone from the chemtrails. Like shit they put up there, but look at there it is. You can see the rainbow at the top there. I'm using a P900. I had the D3400, but it didn't zoom like I wanted to and didn't really see the moon at night as well as the P900 does. So the quality isn't as good as it was, but it still takes a good picture, good video, and man, does it zoom. Let's see if I can get all those to line up on this sun. I'm getting a double ring around this one too. When I get all those dudes right there to line up totally on the sun, looking right down the barrel of it. Alright, there's part of the ring. It's not just a lens, you guys. Maybe some part of it is, but I think it's more what's doing that halo up there. Like lasers are a big light array, and they focus it at certain regions of the plane we're on. And they can turn that thing up, man. It gets super bright. Sometimes I try to look up here. I film the sun all the time, and usually I can look in that direction, even with it just cloudy like it is, and not have to flinch away too much from the brightness. And then a lot of days, like today, it's so bright it makes me like tear up just even kind of looking in that direction. It's hard to look at it through sunglasses. See, there's that yellow and the pink. That pink is not moving, so you know, it's whatever is in our atmosphere or in that cloud or both. The many different things that they state are up there, our own authorities do, and the labs say they can't identify a lot of those. So, and if it's up there falling down here, especially in the rain, I would think we're breathing it in, but what do I know? It's just weirdness up there, man. The shapes of the lens flare I get, it's like hexagonal. It's not a freaking circle. Look at the sun right there. It doesn't matter if I use my smartphone, that really nice camera I had, the Nikon D3400. This camera, which is pretty nice camera. It doesn't matter whose phone I'm looking through, which video I'm watching. There's a 6-pointed light up there that they're telling us is our sun. Anybody over the age 40, you know, if you've spent any time looking up, which I don't expect most people do, like looking at a guy's shoes. I mean, how many people do you remember what their shoes look like? A male, I mean. Anyway, it didn't used to be like this. And it's just, it's all weird now, man. Well, I mean, what is that lens flare at the top left corner at 11 o'clock? What's making that lens flare? In our sun, and the purple one. So that's two different things up there. And then, you know, let me back out, and you get all of these lights just coming off. Sometimes I can get a lot better picture of it, sometimes not so good. There's a little bit of it there. You can see, you know, I know it's fuzzy, but you can see a lot of parts. It seems parts to whatever there they are, you know. It's a lot of them, man. And it seems to be parts of a mechanism that they're using to, you know, maybe help with radiation. That they're admitting A and B, ultraviolet A and B is up there now, which they said is not really possible to happen before people started proving it. You know, and that's nice if they're doing that to help themselves or us or the planet. I also think it's just to obfuscate items up there, comets, brown dwarfs, stars, whatever, planets, whatever the hell it is. It's something's going on.